What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be shooting a golf vlog. And finally, right, I know I haven't been golfing too much since I came back, but you know, it's a nice day out. I'm going to be golfing with my dad and his friends. Even though the weather is nice, but I'm probably going to suck today. But you know, I just feel I haven't been shooting any golf vlog for a long time. It's probably about the time to shoot a new golf vlog. So my goal today is to break 80. Most likely not gonna happen, but we'll see. Which we're playing today, it's called Lin-Kuo golf course. I think it's like known as one of the better golf courses in Taiwan, but I feel like it's just a mediocre golf course. It's nothing special, to be honest. So, you know, good luck to me. You can probably tell my voice is kind of weird today because I drank way too much yesterday. Not in a good condition right now. That's like another reason why I feel I'm gonna shoot over 80 today. You know, we'll see. See my balls right here. Got a little hole right there. I'm gonna try to hit like a blow stinger, get over it. I think I'm gonna try to hit 3 with. I feel like I think I can make it. That was a decent second shot. I hit like a 3 wood. Like what I said, hit a little draw, baby draw, low baby draw. Back to the fairway. But this hole is definitely one of my favorite holes on this golf course. I really do like the design. There's 2 greens over there, as you can see. So you watch more, you can see this golf course has lots of trees. This is like majority of the golf courses in Asia. It's like there's lots of trees. Greens are not the best, except Japan. I think Japan has one of the best greens out there, but Taiwan does not have any good greens, not gonna lie. It's pretty shitty. This is my dad. Let's see what my dad got. Shit. Clip the trees. I told you the green was so shitty, but to be fair, there's another green over there. I think they're saving for like a tournament next week or something. That's what we're going from this. But like, no excuse, it's still really shitty, not gonna lie. Alright, are you gonna hit a good shot? Hope so. Alright, show us what you got. It's not bad. It's not bad. A little thin though. A little thin, yeah. Uncle Paul actually went to Cal Berkeley. What a scholar. Like that in the bunker. Like a bumblebee. He missed. That was a good tee shot. Ooh. That was a good shot. Hey. Like today's vlog's probably only gonna be like 9 holes because my phone's gonna die. I'm at like 70% right now. But yeah, my dad's outfit, just like yellow, like a bumblebee. It's just kind of funny. When you look around, you can see him. Okay, this is a big ass drive. See, it's 100 yards right here. This hole is like 420, I think. I'm like 100 yards in, so I'm a big man, baby. My dad got a big ass drive too. He played from the whites. He probably hit like 260. Oh, pretty decent. Ooh, short. High shower. Uncle Paul thin it again. Looks pretty good. Ooh, watch out. Oh god, it's so hot in Taiwan. It's like 90s every single day. 90s every single day. Sometimes reach 100, I bet. It's only June, so it's no fun. My ball's right there. Another again, shitty ass green. That's a little short. He's pretty good at chipping. Oh, that's a go. That is a go. How means good shot. Yo means right, so means left. So you know you're probably gonna hear that a lot. It'll be pretty helpful to learn yo and so. It's right and left. So if you ever travel to any Chinese speaking country, you can figure out where to go by saying that. Hey, another decent drive for me. Ball's like down right there. I don't know how many shitty shots I've hit today already, but here goes another one. Good shot. As you can see on the green, my dad's trying to chip. Oh, it's not good. Here goes Uncle Paul. What he got. Oh, it's gone too. My dad did it again. Caddy cleaning my bowl. Nice. That was a shitty drive. Hit it to like the next hole. Hit it back, but I clipped the tree, dropped straight down, like right there. So I hit my third shot, which I have another like 15-20 footer for par. And I walked a lot this hole, man. Hopefully I can make it worth it. Missed it a little bit. That was pretty good. Pushed it. See up there. You can see far. That's ocean over there. Like far over there. It's like a port down there too. Like what I said, you hit it like right here. It's my ball right here. And you're hitting that direction. That's the green over there. Which is kind of cool. Oh god, it's so hot. Holy cow. I'm like sweating so much, but I'm feeling a lot better though, since I've been sweating the last hour and a half.
Ah, 歪掉了。 啊，你出去就盖掉了。
And that's it. This is the video for today. Course is in a pretty shitty shape, not gonna lie. Especially the greens, man. They are unplayable and fucking shitty. But anyway, it's still fun. Weather's super nice. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. My phone's gonna die soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And follow my Instagram as well. And peace.